Am I not the champion of the Philistines? Choose one man to fight me. If he defeats me, we will become your servants. But if I defeat him, you shall serve us.
The Lord has shown today that no one is saved by sword or spear. Let every nation know that the God of Israel is mighty and faithful to those who trust him.
Now, here is the crazy part. What if I told you that everything you just watched was created with a free AI tool? Yes, you heard me right. A free AI tool. And I did not spend a single dollar making it. Nothing at all, just with a free tool. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I made it. Not the regular AI Bible videos where someone is just reading a story in the background, using voiceover. I am talking about these cinematic Bible movies where characters actually talk to each other. If you have been wondering how people do that, today I'm going to be showing you that. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly where to generate your dialogue, how to create your images, and also how to create consistent Bible characters, and how to turn a single image into a realistic talking video, the best part. And before we jump into this tutorial, my name is Cheta, and I am really happy you are here. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share. All right, let's go right into it. All right, guys. So first thing first, we have to generate our scene, our images, and our script. So I actually use ChatGPT or Cloud to generate my script. But today I'll be doing this tutorial using ChatGPT. Yes. So this is like my template. I just pasted my template into ChatGPT. This prompt works very well. You can use this prompt on Gemini, on Cloud, or ChatGPT as well, and it will give you exactly what you're looking for. And this prompt consists of the scene, the the dialogues too, the dialogues in the drama, also the image prompt. Yes, everything is in this prompt. It's actually a bit long, so I'm not going to go ahead to read the prompts out. Just like I said, if you need the prompt, tell me in the comment section or join my Telegram group and I'll paste the prompt right there. So once you paste this prompt into your script generator, the next thing you need to do is to type in your drama title. If you don't know of any drama title, you can ask ChatGPT to give you titles. It will give you loads and loads of viral titles you can generate into videos. Yes. So when you paste in this prompt with your title, it will give you everything you've been looking for. Yes, just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my title. I want a story of David and Goliath. Yes. So let's watch that. Yes, you can also decide to, write in how many dialogues you want. You can decide if you want the video longer, you can generate up to, 20 dialogues. Yes. So these three dialogues will give me like a 30 seconds video. Now my story, my script is ready. Yeah, this is like the speaker one where Goliath is gloating. Yeah, so this is dialogue one. And also the second dialogue and the third dialogue. So right now we'll be going ahead to generate our image because that's like the second most important thing, because without the image there'll be no video. Yes. So I'm going to go over to copy the first prompt, the image prompt over there. Let me show you. So we scroll back up, look at that place where the same description you copy from the first line to the last line. That's the entire scene we just copied. So right now we are going to generate the image. So I'll also be using ChatGPT for the image generation. So I just pasted the prompts into a new chat on ChatGPT, and I'm trying to tell ChatGPT I want the image in a landscape, because most of the time when you just paste in your prompt without telling ChatGPT if you want it in a landscape or portrait, you might want it in portrait and it will generate the video in a landscape, or you want it in a landscape, it will generate it in a portrait. So you just have to be specific on how you want your image. So right now, our image is generating. All right, guys, so our image is ready now. I'm trying to download it. You just click on that arrow over there, very close to share, and download your image. For this video, I'm going to use just one image for the whole of this video. That's another best part. You don't need to generate loads and loads of video. So I'm using just only this image for the entire video. Yes. So right now we'll be moving over to animate the video, and we'll be using Flow. This is the app over there. It's free. You can generate up to 8 videos per day. So now I'm going to upload my image. You click on the plus sign and then you upload your image. And then let's go copy our first dialogue. So guys, you're going to copy from the beginning of the first dialogue to the very end of the dialogue. I don't mean you should copy all the whole dialogue. I mean, if you're to copy dialogue 1, you copy from the beginning to the end, just like so. So all the way down to this place, yes. Then you click on copy. Now let's go over to animate our video. So you put in the prompts. After putting the prompts, you switch the animation from image to video from 9.16 ratio to 16.9 ratio. That's for YouTube standard. Next, you pick how many seconds you want your video to be. We have 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, and 10 seconds. So I'll be going with 10 seconds for this video. Next, you click on the white arrow and our video is generating, guys. Alright guys, so our video is ready. So you watch the video. If you're satisfied with the outcome, then you click on it, tap on the 3 icons and click on download. It will go straight into
Shall
your
serve
phone
us.
album. Now guys, we are done with dialogue 1. We'll move over to ChatGPT to copy the second dialogue. The same process, we copy, we go over to Flow, and then we paste and generate the second dialogue like so. So the second dialogue is ready right now. So this is the second dialogue, guys, and that is that about that. After this, you move over to your editing app and merge it together. Like you just watched, that is how I've been able to create my AI Bible videos, and also how I've been able to, show my students how to create these videos. Just like you watch, you don't need any expensive tools. If you would like me to make a complete tutorial showing you how to create the other style of AI Bible videos, the one with a cinematic scenes and a narrator telling the story from beginning to the end, let me know in the comments and I will do just that. And if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.